The Oskaloosa Police Department says as temperatures increase, so does the frequency of complaints about dogs running loose. Police want to remind everyone of the city ordinances relating to animals, specifically dogs. Don't let your dog run at large, meaning it can't go off of your property unless it's under control. And immediately pick up after your dogs.
Be responsible as an owner, make sure they don't run at large and pick up after your dog.
If you have any questions, you can contact Oskaloosa Police Department at 641-673-3201.